another location right now. Casa Rinconada, 1075 at 1250, sacred site. Okay. Wow, this visits the largest great kiva in Chaco Canyon. The great kiva, you are here. So we gotta go. I don't know how long that is. Doesn't say how long. 10 miles, 2 miles, half a mile. Don't know. Well, I think we're taking the shortcut though. Okay. The kiva, he's talking about the solstice. So why they have this openings here. You can read about it online. I'll put information in the textual description, some links to get more information to explain it. You know me, I always do that for everyone.
But again, you've got this row across here. The upper row, there's 28 of them, and then you've got this space.
I think this is the window he was talking about where the light would come in, because that one opening is one's north and one's south, or vice versa, and it would illuminate the little squares in there at different times of the year, the summer solstice, vernal equinox, all that business. And yeah, here's the entrance in here. It's blocked off, do not enter. But oh, this is the one that's either north or south. I don't want to get my phone out here, but if you look through on the other side, you can see the other one over there straight on the other side. So they're on a north-south or south-north line here, and to get everything lined up right here, because that's what they had to go on, the sun and the stars back then. No GPS or any of that stuff here. So, and they did quite well. Did very good here, very good. All right, still some of those old beams in here. Look at that, been there all those years. Wow, that's really something. Watch my step here. You can go in here, look around, come out that side. I'm not going to be bending down anymore, no thank you. Coming out the one with the no top here. Yeah, and right around the edge of the cliff. Yeah, come around, go around the whole side here. There's a bridge over there, and yeah, we were just down the road there a bit, somewhere down there, but you can walk around here. Yeah, come around the other side here. We're on the trail, so we're legal here. We're legal. Here's the markers for the trail. Yeah. Come up to the other side. Yeah. There it is there, all down in there. There's the other opening I talked about. And there's that one. It's underneath of here where you really can't see it. So there you go. All right. Look out over the countryside here. All right, remember I was just over on the other side. I got to bend down again for you guys. And there's the other one on the other side. So I don't know if I'm north or that's south, one or the other here, but it's perfectly lined up here. I'll come down one more so you can see it a little bit better there, off on the other side. Now I have to get back up. All right, here we go. Some timbers in there. Okay, come out here. Come out of the exit here. This is not as finessed as the rest of it. Very small rooms, masonry not as good, kind of haphazard, not flat or even, just whatever they could find. But hey, you gotta make do. Not everybody can be in the high rent district there, I guess. Okay. This is, basic housing here, a lot smaller. Still does the trick. If that works for you, that's fine. This is just the remnants, it would have been much taller, I'm sure. Got a little kiva here, not as fancy coming up here. You can tell by the stones. Looks a little deeper or higher. This is another kiva. So it might have been an old one that they built more on it, but it's hard to see. There is the ventilation shaft for the fire pit down there to get air for the fire. A couple of different tiers, and you can see the rocks are not real smooth or anything, but hey, it does the trick. And there might have been another one right there, another one right there, but every housing unit always has kivas here. So yeah, that's a deep one down there. Deep one or high one, because the ground may have been lower then, so could have been another old one here. Okay, I think we're heading back to the parking lot. And I think then we're going back to the hotel, maybe have the kid have a little rest before we go out to dinner tonight. Okay, that's another one. Could have been another family unit here. I can't see any kivas. There might have been some over there, but there's more ruins right there. But we're just close to this one. The wind's picking up here, so you can see the rocks. You know, not real smooth rocks. Very small rooms here, very small rooms. You know, and yeah, the rocks, they're not smooth on the outside. They're just basically whatever they could find there. Oh yeah, it's all right. It's okay. Does the purpose there. Everybody's got to do what they can here. You know, so yeah. All right there. There we go. Coming back here. Yeah, all right. Here we go. A little warmer. 68 degrees, I think, this afternoon. When you're in the wind, it's a little cooler for the wind chill, but not bad. I just have my shirt on now. That's fine. My backpack. My little back brace. So, okay. Bye-bye.
All right.
So we went from here to here to here to here. We went backwards.